multiplication by 0. Okay, that means while explaining big concepts, this small thing I might have already told, but here in this video what I do, I will take more and more examples for you to make understand. Okay, so that's the main difference. I mean, I'm going to take more and more examples. In other videos I have not taken like that. In this video I am going to take more and more examples for this concept multiplication by 0, and I will show you what will happen. See, for example, you take any number. So I will take number 6. Okay, you can take any number, multiply means into. If you multiply this number 0 by 0, 0 means this one 0. This 0 in words, it is a number. In words we will write like this 0. Okay, that is equal to what? Okay, so remember, if you take any number and if you multiply into means multiply by 0, so remember you will get the same number back here, 6. I'm sorry. You will get 0 only. 0, sorry. Just a minute. Yeah, this is not addition, this is multiplication. Okay, any number if you take, if you multiply with 0, you will always get 0 only. Okay, next I will take you take any number and then I will take 10. I will multiply with 0. So what you will get? 0 only. Okay, so any number if you multiply with 0, since you are multiplying with a 0, you always get 0 only. You can take any number. The point is here is with what number you are multiplying. See, if you multiply, you take any number, if you multiply, if you are multiplying with 0, that means you will get 0 only. Okay, remember. So this time I will first take 0, then into, you take any number. I will take minus 35. So two signs should not be one beside of the other. You should put bracket for this number. That is equal to what? Here first number is 10, second number is 0. Here first number itself is 0, second number is minus 35. One thing you remember, whether 0 can be first number or second number, whatever, that is not the point, that is not the matter. The only point is, if you are multiplying with 0, that means you will get 0 only. That is the point. 0 can be first number or second number. Okay, just this fact If you are multiplying by 0, you will get 0 only. Here 0 is the second number, but you are multiplying this with 0, so you get 0 only. Here 0 is the first number. 0 is the first number, but you are multiplying 0 with this number. Since you are multiplying with 0, okay, whatever the number here or here, you will always get this 0 only. You will always. Okay, that is very important. Next, I will take another number, say 1000. So multiply with 0. So 1000 into 0. Okay, I have taken the number 1000. Okay, so since you are multiplying with 0, so whatever this number, you will get 0 only. So 1000 into 0 is 0. Minus 756. Okay, minus 756. 756. Okay, so in calculations, you better use the brackets for negative numbers. So that is a good idea. Otherwise, you may get wrong answer. Okay, so for negative numbers, you better put bracket. Into 0. Into means multiplication. Into 0 means multiplying by 0. That is the heading is multiplication by 0. Okay, this is negative number, but whatever this number, you are multiplying with 0, right? So since you are multiplying with 0, you get 0 only. Next, first I will take number 0, multiply. This time I will take 2164. Okay, so 0 into 2164. So this is somewhat big number, but this is multiplying with 0. Since we are multiplying with 0, whatever this number, so we get 0 only. Next, I will take the number 5 4 4. Okay, into 544. 544. Okay, so this is multiplying with 0. So whatever this number, since we are multiplying into means multiplication, so multiplying with 0, so we get 0 only. Next to 839. 8390, and I will take minus also. Since here we have minus, it is a negative number. For negative numbers, you took bracket. Middle. Okay. This is minus 8390. So minus 8390. So this number is multiplying with 0. So whatever this number, because we are multiplying with 0, so we get 0 only always. Next I will take triple nine, sorry, 4 nines I will take. So 9999. Okay. So into 0. So is equal to what? So this number is multiplying with 0. Since we are multiplying with 0, so we get 0 only. Next, this time I will take 888. Okay. So this number I am going to multiply with 0. So what you will get? So this is 70,888. Okay, and this big number is multiplying. So into means multiplication. So multiplying with 0. Uh, so since we are multiplying with 0, we get 0 only. Next, first number I will take 0 into 1,83,965. Okay. So this number is 1,83,965. So this is somewhat big number, but this number is multiplying with 0. Whatever this number we are multiplying with 0, so we get 0. So next number minus 656 minus 656 into 0. Okay, so it's better you put bracket for the negative numbers. Here minus is there, so okay, so this number is multiplying with 0. So we get 0 only because we are multiplying with 0. So whatever this number we are multiplying with 0, we get the same 0 here. Okay, just to next to I will take 5,000 into 0 is equal to, so this is 5,000, but into 0 we are multiplying with 0. Into 0 means multiplication with 0. Since we are multiplying with 0, so we get 0 only. Next I will take 8 7. So 87 into 0, that is equal to what? So whatever this number we are multiplying with 0, so we get 0. Okay, your main point this only, 0 only. 0 multiplying with any number, we get the same 0 here. This time I will take a big number, very big number I will take this time. Okay, for example 5 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. So this is a big number, crores. This number is in crores. 5 crores 99 lakhs 99,999, and we are multiplying this number with 0. So what you will get? We get 0 only. Okay, so however the big this number is, how much is the number, how much is this number is big, so whatever, how big is this number, whatever, if you multiply this big number with 0, your main point is you are multiplying with 0, so you always get 0 only. See the, it is a kind of magic by 0, magic with 0 only. This much big number, but if you multiply 0, you get 0. This is a kind of magic making by the 0, the number 0. Okay, next we will move on to next topic. Okay, so I will just take 2 to 3 minutes break. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. We'll move on to next topic. Next topic is multiplicative identity. For for integers. Multiplicative identity for integers. So this is the other topic. So what I am doing here, I am going to take more and more examples, and I will explain you what is multiplicative identity and all. So first I will take example, you will understand. For example, I will take number 12. So I have 12 is the number I have taken. You multiply this 12 with 1 is equal to what? So the number I took is 12. Okay, this is the number I took, and I am going to multiply. Into means multiply. So multiplying with 1. So what you will get? Okay. So remember, this is very important. Whatever the number you take here, if you multiply this number with 1, okay, you will always get the same number back here, 12. Okay. So whatever number you take here, whatever the number you take, whether big, small or medium number, negative number, whatever number you will get, you take. If you are multiplying this by 1 means you will get same number back, same number. Okay. So I will take more examples, you will understand very nicely. Okay. Next I will take the number 20. Okay. Now I will multiply this number by 1, like into 1. Into 1 means multiplying by 1. Okay. So that is equal to what? As I already said, whatever the number you take, if you are multiplying this number by 1, you will get the same number here, 20. Okay. Why you got the same number 20 here? Because you are multiplying this by 1. That is the point. This is very important. With what you are multiplying? You are multiplying with 1. If you are multiplying with 1, whatever this number, same number will come here. Okay. So 20 ones are 20. 12 ones are 12, like that. This time I will take first 1 I will take, then into I will multiply this with the 34 is equal to what? Okay. Now here see, here first number is 20, second number is 1. But here first number only 1. Here 1 is the second number. Here 1 is the first number. Okay. So remember, 1 is the second number or first number, whatever. So if you are multiplying this 1 with any number, so this same number will come here, 34. This same number will come here. Okay. So got it right? 1 can be first number or second number. That is not the matter. Any number, if you are multiplying with 1, you will get same number back. That's all. So here 1 is the second number, but this number is multiplying with 1. You got same 20 here. 1 is the first number here, but this number is multiplying with 1. So this same number 34 will come here. Okay. Next I will take 1004 to 8. 1428. So this number I have taken. I am multiplying this with 1 is equal to what? Okay. So whatever this number, so since you are multiplying this number with 1, so the same number will come here, 1428. Okay. Why you got the same number here? Because this number is multiplying with 1. Okay. This is very important, with what you are multiplying. Whatever the number, if you are multiplying with 1, you get the same number back here. Next I will take some negative number. I will take minus 800 807 I will take. So this is negative number because your minus sign is there. So I will put bracket. For negative number you better use the bracket. Otherwise you may confuse and you may do some mistakes. You may get wrong answer. But if you use the bracket, there won't be the chances of making mistakes. Okay. So this is a negative number. So I will multiply this with the 1. So what you get? This same number will come here. So minus 807 will come here. Why we got the same number here? Because you are multiplying with the 1. That's why. So whatever the number, if you are multiplying with 1, so the same number will come here, like that. Next, I will take 9999. 9999 into 1. So into 1 is equal to what? Okay. So you will get the same number here. 999 only. So whatever this number you are multiplying with 1, okay, since you are multiplying with this one, so you will get the same number back here. Next, I will take this one 28,633. So this into 1 is equal to what? Okay. So this is 28,633, but this number is multiplying with 1. So since you are multiplying with 1, you get the same number back here. That is 28,633. Next example. First I will take 1 into minus 4,403.9 is equal to what? So this number is minus 4,439, this number. Okay. So whatever this number, because you are multiplying with 1, see, you are multiplying this one, so this same number will come here, minus 4439. Next I will take this 8,620 25 I will take. So this is the number I have taken. 8,625 into 1 is equal to what? Eight thousand six hundred twenty-five. Okay, 625. So whatever this number, you are multiplying with 1. Into 1 means, okay, multiplication with 1. So this number is multiplying with 1. So because of this reason, you will get the same number back here, 8,625. And next I will take 1 lakh. I will take this time. I am going to take 1 lakh. 100,000 into 1 is equal to. Okay. So this is 1 lakh. This number is 1 lakh. This number 1 lakh is multiplied. Into means multiplication. So multiplied by 1. This 1. So what you will get? The same number we will get here. It will come here. Okay. So whatever this number, because you are multiplying with 1, the same number will come here. So 1 lakh only we will get. Okay. It is like 1 lakh once the 1 lakh once the we get 1 lakh only, like that. Next I will write 8,79,661 into see this number is in lakhs. So 8,79,661. So this much big number. But when you multiply this much big number with 1, what you will get? You will get the same number back here. That is 8,79,661. Why this much big number we got? We got the same big number here. Why we got the same number back here? Because this number is multiplying with the 1. That is the point here. That is a special case. That is the speciality of the 1. Okay. Eight lakh. Next to I will take on negative number, big number. I will take negative big number. So minus 44,444. Okay. So this negative number is minus 44,444. So I will multiply this with 1. So what you will get? The same number you will get here. Why? Why? Because this number is multiplying with 1. So because of that reason, we will get same thing here. I mean that minus 44,444. Next I will take this time I will take a number with crores. For example, I will take 10 crores I will take. So 10 crores, 10 so this number is 10 crores. Okay, this much big number this is. I have taken such a big number, 10 crores I have taken. But whatever this number, if you multiply with 1, so what you will get? So what you will get? You will get same 10 crores here as a result. Same thing. See, I got this same 10 crores here as a result. Why I got the same 10 crores here? Because this number is multiplied with 1. So whatever this number, here I have taken 10 crores, you can take 20 crores, 100 crores, 200 crores, you take million, billion, whatever the big number you take. So if you multiply with 1, you get same number. Okay. So we got the same number here because we multiplied this with 1. Okay. Now what is the headline? Multiplicative identity for integers. So the numbers whatever I have taken all are integers only. Integers you know right. This is basic thing. Basic set of integers that minus infinity to plus infinity. That was 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So those are the set of integers. In all, okay. In most of the math concept, in all other videos also, I repeated that set of integers many times. Now the headline is multiplicative identity, right? So what is multiplicative identity here? So which number is called as multiplicative identity? What is that number? Okay, there should be some number which we call as multiplicative identity. So which is that number here? Okay, remember that is nothing but 1. So whenever you saw this headline multiplicative identity, it is 1. I will write here. 1 is called as multiplicative identity. Why? Why? Because see, we have seen in so many examples. You observe, you see, you look at the so many examples. Whatever the number you take, here also, here, even here, this. So whatever the number you take, if you multiply that number with this one, you are getting same number, right? See, we saw here. We got the same number. Whatever the number you have taken, when you multiply with 1, you got the same number back here, correct? Just now we saw here. See, I have written on the board. Okay. So because of that reason only, we call one as multiplicative identity. Any number you take, if you multiply that number with this one, you get the same number back. So that is the reason why this one is called multiplicative identity. So whenever you see multiplicative identity, just remember that is nothing but the number 1. This 1 is called multiplicative identity. Why? Because of these reasons just now I told. Okay. So next, we will move on to another topic. Okay, so I will just take 2 to 3 minutes break. Okay, just 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm back. We will discuss next topic. Let me just rub this. Yeah, any previous content if you want to see can okay move the video backward. Next topic, associativity for multiplication. No, associative property of integers under multiplication. Previously, that is associative. Previously, we have seen associative property of integers under addition, but here this is multiplication. Associative property of integers under multiplication. So this is the next concept that we are going to discuss. And remember, this associative property is for integers. Okay, so integers means that is a basic thing everyone must know for all math calculations. The basic things, what are integers? Okay, I will just simply write just for a quick recap. Okay, so integer set of integers is usually represented by this letter z. So like this you will write dot 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 minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 1 2 3 4 comma dot 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 dot. Okay, so this is the set of integers. Okay, so dot 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 the numbers will continue after 4 till plus infinity. Here dot 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 means the numbers will continue after minus 3, like minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, till where? Till minus infinity. So this set of integers, this set of numbers whatever I have written, so these are the integers. Okay, so we are going to discuss the associative property of these integers only. Okay, next one more thing is there under multiplication. Okay, that means this is, we are not discussing the associative property with the operation addition, subtraction or division. It is multiplication. That means we will take some integers and the operation we will use is multiplication. Okay, so with integers and multiplication, so what is the associative property? So I will write now, I will write the equation or one statement, so you will understand. So general formula, see A into B into C, so is equal to A into B into C. Okay, so first thing A into B into C, but I put bracket for first two numbers A and B. So A, B, C represents integers, any integers. Okay, so here actually A into B into C is there, but I have put bracket for first two integers A and B. But here also same thing, A into B into C only. Here also A into B into C. Here also A into B into C only. What is the difference? What is the difference? You can see here and here. What is the difference? The difference is you have put bracket for first two integers here. First two integers A and B, for those you put bracket. But here you put bracket for second and third integer. This is first integer, this is second and third. Okay, here you put bracket for second and third integer, but here you put bracket for first and second integer. Okay, that is the difference between this and this. Okay, so if you take a into b into c on both sides, but if you put bracket like this, here for first two integers, here for second and second and third integers, if you put bracket, so what will happen? So nothing will happen, that will be equal. Okay. So a into b bracket into c is equal to a into within bracket b into c. Okay. If you write like this, this is equal to this, or I can say this is equal to this. Okay. So remember. So this is there, no, this rule or statement, or because of equal sign we can call this as equation also. So this rule is there, no? This rule I can say law also, law. So this is called associative property of integers under multiplication. Multiplication means into symbol will be there. See here I have written into means multiplication. That's why the headline is under multiplication. That means here we will only see multiplication symbol only. See, into is there, that is multiplication. There is no plus, minus or division symbol, right? So this is called associative property of integers under multiplication. Okay. Now what we will do? We will take, okay, we will take more and more examples, and we will check or we will verify. We will check simply in simple words. I can say we will check whether this is correct or not. This law or this rule or this statement is, or this equation is correct or not. Okay. Okay, we will take different integers for a, b, c, and we will check whether this is correct or not. Okay. First, what I do for a I will take number 2. Into will be asterisk. For b I will take number 1. Okay, and this bracket also important. Next, into for c I will take number 3. Next is equal to, next for a I took 2. So here also for a you have to write 2 into, next this bracket b. Here for b I took 1. So here for b also you have to take 1 into c. Here for c I took 3. So for c I have to write 3 only. So close the bracket. Now first we have to simplify whatever is there within this bracket. So this is bracket, within this bracket we have this, we have to simplify this first. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 into 3. Next this equal 2 into bracket. So no. You have to simplify this bracket first. So within this bracket whatever we have, 1 into 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3, or I can say 1 3 is a 3. Next, so 2 into 3, 2 3 is a 6 we will get, is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6. Now see, this is also 6, this is also 6. So definitely this 6 is equal to 6. This is correct. Because this and this are same numbers. So 6 is equal to 6. This equation is, or this equation, this statement is correct. So now, since this is correct, so this is correct. This associative property is correct. So now we checked whether this property is correct or not by taking numbers for A, B, C, and we got this 6 is equal to 6. So since this is correct, so this is also correct. Okay. So we checked that this is correct. I can say, instead of checked, I can say like we verified. So this property is verified that it is correct. Just now we checked. Okay. I will take other integers now. Now for A I will take 0 into, for B I will take 4. So bracket, this bracket also important, bracket into, for C I will take 6. No, I will take 7. For C I will take 7. So B, for B I took 4, for C I took 7. Is equal to A. For A I took 0, so here also for A I have to write 0. Next into bracket B. For B I took 4, write 4 into C. For C I took 7. 7. Close the bracket. Now we have to simplify this side and this side. First, so this is bracket, right? So within the bracket, whatever is there, that we have to simplify. So within this bracket, we have 0 into 4. So 0 4 is a 0. Because any number multiplying with 0, we get this 0 only. Next into 7 is equal to 0 into. Now whatever is there within this bracket, so we have to simplify this part. We have to simplify this that is present within this bracket. So 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. Now you see here, we will simplify this first. 0 into 7. See, Remember, any number, whatever this number, multiplying with 0. Any number you into means multiply. Multiplying with 0, you get 0 only. Okay? Whatever this number, but you are multiplying with 0, so you get 0 only. 0 is the result. Here is equal to. Here. So this is 28. But this 28 is multiplying with 0. So whatever the number, if you multiply with 0, you get 0 only. Now see, okay, this is also 0, this is also 0. Both are same. So these two numbers are same, both are same. Since this and this are same numbers, so definitely 0 is equal to 0. That's correct only. So this 0 is equal to 0, whatever the equation. So this is correct. Because this also 0, this also 0. Okay. Now, since this is correct, this 0 is equal to 0 is correct. That means this property, this is correct. This associative property is correct. So we checked, we verified, we proved that this is correct by taking numbers for A, B, C. Now next time, now we will take some negative numbers. Okay, I will take negative numbers. Now for A, I will take -3 into for B. For B, I will take -2. For B, I am taking -2. So minus is there, so that is negative number. Okay. For negative numbers, you put brackets. You put brackets. Otherwise, there will be a mistake while doing calculations. You may get wrong answer. Some student may confuse while dealing with when they use negative numbers in calculations. So for negative numbers, to avoid confusion, I will put bracket for this -2 and -3, and instead of this bracket for A into B, we have to put other bracket, this and this. But this kind of bracket I have used for this and this. Just to avoid confusion, I will use square bracket. Okay. See, this is round bracket. Instead of this, you can use square bracket. So this is square bracket, this and this. This is open bracket, this is closed bracket. Okay. So there is no wrong. There is no problem. Instead of this kind of bracket, I use this and this. That's okay, no problem. You can use. Why I used this and this? Because I use a round bracket for this and this. So I just use a different bracket to avoid confusion. next into next C. For C I will take number 5. Next is equal to next A. For A I took minus 3. So in place of A also you have to take minus 3 into, okay, since I have used this kind of bracket, so this kind of bracket already for minus 3, to avoid confusion, instead of this bracket I will use this. No, if you want to use same kind of bracket you can use, no problem. I will do that in the next example. Now I will take this bracket, it's okay, no problem. So next B. So in place of B I took minus 2. So in place of B I have to take minus 2 into next C. So in place of C I took 5. So in place of C I will write 5. Next bracket. Instead of this I am using this bracket. Now first we will simplify whatever is there within this bracket. So within this bracket we have this, we will simplify this first. Into is there, so multiplication. Okay, so we have to multiply the signs first. Here minus minus into minus plus. 3 into 2 6. 3 2 is a 6. Okay, so I will use bracket, this bracket, into 5 into 5. Now is equal to this minus 3 right as it is into okay. Now we have to simplify this within this bracket. See, inside this bracket we have this minus 2 into 5. We have to simplify this first. So here just 5 is there, just 5 means here plus is there. Okay, we have to assume. So first we have to multiply the, into means multiply. So first we have to multiply the signs. So minus into plus, so that is minus 2 into 5. 2 5 is a 10. So I will put bracket. This bracket I put. See, this is positive number. Okay, plus 6 means positive number. So for positive number, if you don't put bracket also, no problem. I will just erase the bracket. And plus also I will remove. If you remove plus also, no problem, because just 6 plus 6 both are same. 6 or plus 6 both are correct. So I just removed plus. And this is single number, so I removed the bracket. For single number and it is positive number, so you can remove the bracket, then no problem. Now six into 5. Okay, 6 5s are 30 is equal to next. So these are the negative numbers, minus 3 minus 10. So you better keep brackets. For positive numbers, for positive single numbers, you can remove the bracket. But these are negative numbers, you keep the bracket. Otherwise, you may confuse. Yeah, but some students will be there. Some students are brilliant, but not all. So some students may confuse. Now into means multiplication. So first we have to multiply the signs. Here minus is there, here minus is there. So minus into minus plus. Next consider the numbers. Here 3 is there, here 10 is there. 3 into 10. So 3 tens are 30. Plus 30 or just 30, both are same. Okay. You can remove the sign plus. Even if you remove the plus also, it is understood there is plus sign is there. Okay. So see, plus 30 is equal to 30. Just 30 means here plus is there. Okay. So I just removed plus here. Okay, because plus 30 is equal to 30. Now you see, this is also 30, this is also 30. See, both are same numbers, 30, 30. Since this and this are same numbers, so 30 is equal to 30 is correct. This is correct. Okay. These two are same numbers, so definitely there is no doubt. This is equal to this, and this equation is correct. I put tick mark. Okay. Now see, this is correct. So what does it mean? So this is also correct. This property is there, no? That is correct. So we checked, we verified this associative property is correct like this. Okay. Okay. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe.